Yes, sir.
It's Sir Jacob first, Sir Chris. Yeah, Sir Jacob first for Sir Fredo. So is your body cam is now on, Sir Jacob? The camera is rolling now. Alright, Sir Fredo. Are you ready?
Uh, yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay, then why do you want to be a Major General?
Sorry, sir. Again. Can you repeat, sir?
Why do you want to be a Major General?
I want to be a major general, sir, because I see some soldiers is need to be fun. That's why I want to be a major general because I want to conduct fun events every I think 2 times every week, and I want to help army faction to soldiers need help for the RP lesson and all the questions, sir, he need to answer. That's also.
Okay, so what are the duties of a Major General?
Sorry, sir, again, sir, because I can't hear you, sir.
What are the duties of a Major General?
The duty of Major General is first conduct training. Second, and be a role model to the other soldiers to be a professional and need attend 4 MTE per day minimum and get the gates every soldier's free time, sir.
Okay, then what is a chain of command?
Chain of command is don't go to the FG or DFG or CG. Just go first to the Lieutenant General. That's also.
Again, Sir Fredo, how many hours can you spend online in the game?
Mm, Sir, I will spend every day, every Monday to Saturday, sir. I will online every 8, starting on 8 p.m. to 2 a.m., sir, or 3 a.m. And every Sunday, sir, I will online starting at in the morning
Okay, in
to
3, 2,
the
1.
12
No, you
p.m.
stay, sir.
12 a.m. Because of my work, sir, I can't online every Monday to Saturday on. I can online on the morning, sir. But in the evening, sir, I will
Okay.
go online.
Okay, then are you familiar with the army rules?
Yes, sir, I'm familiar on army rules.
What is army rule number 3?
Army rule number 3, sir, is any corruption. I will say in full, sir, or that's all.
Again, what is it? What is your answer? What is army rule number 3?
Army rule number 3, sir, is any corruption is forbidden. Asking for a bribe, money, goods, or services, or taking a bribe for any faction member.
Okay, and what is army rule number 9?
Army rule number 9, sir, is if leaving the military base in uniform and or with a weapon.
Army rule number 1?
Army rule disrespectful attitude towards colleagues and civilians, sir.
What is army rule number 11?
There is no army rule 11, sir. Only 10.
Okay, good. Alright, after becoming a major general, what plans do you have to make?
Again, sir?
After becoming a major general, what plans do you have to make?
Once do I have again, sir?
After becoming a major general, what plans do you have to make?
Oh, what plan? To make, I will make a plan, sir, to be a fun event co-leader for the enjoyment of the soldiers, and every MTE I will command the soldiers to be alert and always listen to the other soldiers if he need backup. And I will online every hiring event in the evening. I try my best to online in the morning, sir, if I have free time in my work IRL. That's all, sir.
Okay. And as a major general, how would you develop a strategic training plan to improve soldiers' professionalism and discipline across your command? Again, as a major general, how would you develop a strategic training plan to improve soldiers' professionalism and discipline across your command?
First, sir, I will uh, think a new strategy for the training for the every soldiers to be disciplined. I will command every training to sorry, sir, I that's all my answer, sir. I
All
can
right.
I can think for now.
Okay, then last question. You receive a report that two soldiers under your command violated regulations during an operation. And the reporting individual has no body cam footage or physical evidence, but only a verbal account. How would you handle the situation to ensure fairness and discipline?
First, I will ask, sir, what happened. I will ask every soldiers who involved on that situation. I will ask first what happened, what is the first, who is the first to, and I will give sir give a warning because I don't have evidence. I will talk first. I will give a warning, and I will say if he do again, I will report to the Lieutenant General.
All right, that's it. All right, Sir Fredo, that's it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Sir Fredo, for your time, and we will just announce if you passed or not. Okay.
Okay, sir. Salute, sir.
Good luck. Good luck.
Thank you, Sir Jacob, Sir Ray, and Sir Chris. Thank you. Bye bye.